Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best jailbreak tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called No Switcher Cache and moves the cache of the snapshots when using Grid Switcher. So it's only tested on iOS 13, so it's meant to be paired with another tweak. So that gives you the Grid Switcher on iPhone. Recommend iPad Switcher by tpkg_, which can be found on package repo. This is called No Music Volume Knob and removes the knob on the volume slider in Apple Music. This is called No Buttons When Playing, moves the quick actions buttons when playing music. This is called Magical Scroll Bars, adds some spice to your scroll bars and brings them to life. So it's paired with iOS 13 and iOS 14, allows you to choose two different colors with transition to one another, making a magical experience for your scroll bars. And should work in all apps. This is called No Face ID Lock, removes the Face ID lock, so pretty cool. Which iOS 13 to 13.7. Next is called Unlock for Music and unlock the screen when music changes. It's called Unlock or Else and make sure passcode pop out right away. So no buttons when playing. We're still tested to work on iOS 13 and iOS 14. So you find yourself annoyed because you always have to wear a mask now and the passcode just doesn't pop up when you need it. So Unlock or Else will immediately bring up the passcode screen when your screen turns on. Next is called Centered Labels and center all labels in the main settings page. This is called Settings Button and adds useful buttons to the navigation bar in the Settings app. This is called Pop Lock and Drop It. Main purpose of this week was to document how to use popovers on iOS for existing hooks. This is called Music Lyrics Share. Long press lyrics and you have music to share. Just share them, so you can share the lyrics. This is called No Widget Labels. Hide only labels of widgets. This is called Widget Radius and makes the old widgets match the new ones. This is called Reach Player. Now playing info in reachability window adds a sleek interface to your reachability window with the now playing song. This is called Shake It Off. Shake your device to toggle some crap, so it allows you to shake your device to toggle some useful actions. This streak is called iMaze and there's 10 cool levels, so it's like a maze game. It's like, you also have iMaze Lite, just a light version. You have 2 cool levels for this. This is called Tweak Reviews DB. Actually, this tweak, where is it at? But this tweak is basically getting like a rework on, so it's hopefully soon. Where's the post for it? Whatever. So this week allows you to basically mark packages as if they're working or not. It's basically similar to another tweak called Tweak Compatible or Tweaks Compatible, which I use, and you can mark the tweak as working or not, so other people know, what iOS versions and whether it's working or not working for those iOS versions. So it's really, really useful, especially if you download a tweak that you're not sure it's going to work or not. It could screw up your whole device. So it's good that you have this tweak. If you see that it's marked as not working for that iOS version, for the most part, then most likely it's not going to work for you. Or just people just don't know how to use it. But for the most part, it's pretty accurate. So it's it's great that developers doesn't have to update this, because we're the people that use this tweak. We're the ones that mark it as working or not. So it goes by off our reviews as the users of this tweak. It has been updated in quite a while, just like the other tweak, which is Tweaks Compatible. This one's actually getting like a rework on, so it should be like compatible and be better. So hopefully it's be reworked on really soon.